How to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. To start this tutorial, make sure you open and locate your Instagram application. Once you are in Instagram, this time you're going to do the following steps. Step 1. Go to your searches. Once on search, use the search bar. In here, type the following or whatever the header is of that person you're trying to look for. In here, scroll down. And then, try to find related posts that you've seen that person somewhere. In here, you can scroll down to top, accounts, audio, tags, and places. You can go to tags this time and see any kind of hashtag that they might be involved in. They might be going to a school or a university. Once you tap on it, just scroll down and then you will see a lot of options to find out that maybe that person has been tagged in this hashtag. But be careful when you're doing this. You have to make sure you get the consent of the person that you are looking for. Or you better be friendly when you find them. And make sure you build better connections. Because a new friend will always be a better step to a better life. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.